All right. First of all, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm going to do the boring part of the conversation. And that's why Sneha has scheduled me first. So, a very interesting bit, and these are probably, I've been in media for almost 16, 17 years, and these are probably the most exciting times in the last couple of years. Just to share something that we were just comparing some statistics for 20 crore TV homes that exist in the country. There are close to 35 crore smartphones. And that speaks volumes of why the landscape is changing. And the exciting part is a lot of content is getting created between the multiplex and the 22-minute TV shows. And a lot of experimentation is happening, a lot of interesting stuff is coming out. And as an OTT platform, I don't know how many of you know, we were one of the first ones to launch in 2012. Have been in this journey, very exciting times. The big set of announcements and big ambitious plans will get rolled out for Sony Live as the year progresses. Tripling is something, like Sneha had mentioned, we all love. I personally enjoyed the season 1 and I'm looking forward to season 2. And it's part of our initiative to sort of warmly welcome content creators who sort of have expertise in creating content for this new digital format. That's what Sony Live is looking out for. Our first tie-up with TVF to get Tripling Season 2 streaming on the platform is the first step towards that direction. You will hear a lot many more of such initiatives and announcements in the coming month. But like I said, I should not overstay my welcome. Stop the boring part. Get Sam to come and talk about the show.
So now we both will bore you, won't it? Thanks a lot Amol, for the kind words, and thanks a lot everyone for coming over here, and sincere apologies from our side to keep you waiting. This is very special. This started like 4 years back with Sumit, Amol. I mean, these are two guys who we initiated and brainstormed the idea with, and we started off thinking about tripling. And since then, it has been a fantastic journey. We at TVF have always strongly believed in telling stories, and I feel so good to say that we were the ones who started this whole the so-called digital revolution. We started with pictures, and now then tripling happened, and tripling season 2 has has a very special place in our heart. You know, it took us some time to make this show because again we wanted to get it right. We hope we have got it right. We'll know. We'll know on the film. But this is something really exciting, and we are going to launch the trailer now. We start with the trailer?
We'll start the trailer, but before that, quickly, photo opportunity for Amog and Sameer together. So any pictures that you all want to take, we'll do it right now.
Yeah.
Shake hands, hug, do whatever. Slightly cool.
So we'll make it more fun now. We'll have the cool things to happen on stage. The boring part is over. Enjoy, guys.
Yeah, so presenting to you the. Okay, great. So I'm not going to go on any further. So I'm going to call your favorite trio, Chandan, Chanchal, and Chitwan. That's Sumit Vyas, Manvi Gagru, and Amol Parashkar on stage, please.
लाइट जला लो यार अपनी अपनी थोड़ा तो पहुंच जाएगी तो लाइट जला लो चलो चलो लाइट जलाओ लाइट जला चलो जाने दो लाइट चलो हाँ चलो लाइट
Hello everyone. Hi guys. Hello everyone.
So, quickly, Sumit, Manvi, and Amol, or should I call you all Chandan, Chanchal, and Chitwan? That's what you all are here for today. So, why don't you all tell me a bit about season 1, how it's different? It's been a while since season 1 came, and season 2 has come refreshed, very exciting. So, tell us how the experience has been doing this.
Yeah, the response to season 1 was obviously overwhelming for us and I think for everyone associated with it. When the first season came out, most of the series that were being made or that were out there were about essentially about youngsters, about hostel kids having a good time, about couples and relationships, and about sex. So we were not sure how interested people would be to listen to a story about 3 siblings. Hence, we were really taken aback by the love that we received, and hence it took so long to write the second season because we didn't want to disappoint people who liked the series, and also we didn't want to repeat what we had already done. You know, we didn't want to cash in on the glory of what has happened. We wanted to create a fresher story, a next step to this story, and keep it entertaining and engaging enough for anyone new also who wants to come and watch the show. Even if someone wants to just watch the second season, they should still enjoy it, in spite of not watching it, although they should watch it. What's it? So yeah, that was the tougher part. And coming together again was like coming home. This time we were. Yeah, we were. I think we were more in tune with each other. We had a good time, and we really enjoyed each other's company more this time. Last time we were all, trying to find some sort of ground. We were struggling in our own shoes. This time we were comfortable in our shoes. So yeah, we had a really good time, and a lot of the fun that we had on the shoot. The credit goes to Sameer Saxena. He's I think the Dhoni of filmmaking. He's just unfazed by anything. It's until I met him, I thought I was the calmest person, and then I saw him, and now I'm depressed because I think he's unbelievable. I haven't seen a person like him. So yeah, a lot of credit goes to him if you like this.
I'll just say what Baba just said because he writes the script, I just say the lines.
That's how it works between us. And it always works well for me. And this is not just tripling. I've worked with him before that also, where he wrote something that I acted for, and that also got me a lot of rewards and adulation. So I think I'm going to be chasing him for the rest of my life. Whenever I feel like कि career अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है, बाबा आप कुछ लिख दो please, because I want to act in something that you're writing for me. Tripling One was my first web show. At that time, there were not many web shows. Now there are more web shows than there are people to watch. And yes, there are, and we have been doing a lot of shows. I think after tripling, our lives have changed for the better in terms of the amount of work we've had. So I think what happened in the last 2 years that of course we were all friends before tripling happened, we all knew each other, but all of us are now much more busier in our lives than we used to be. So you don't get too much time on a personal level to spend with each other. So I think what tripling did this time was bring all of us back into the same room, put us together for those 30, 40 days, did not let us go anywhere else. And we got to spend that personal time with each other, which I think what he meant when he said it was like coming home. Because this kind of familiarity about working with friends. There's a kind of enjoyment about working with friends that you also admire for their work and their hard work and their talent. And yes, Sam is a rock star. I've also known him for quite some time, but this is the first time I worked with him. So me, this had the pleasure of working with him. So I was surprised. He's cooler than Chitwan. I don't know what he's smoking. I want to smoke what he's smoking because he's a chiller. Yeah, tripling two, we've had a lot of fun. I think that you will hear a lot today, and it's all true. We had a lot of fun shooting on tripling two. Tripling one was also fun, but this was much more fun. This was much more comfortable. We knew what we were doing. I think also we knew our characters better. We had lived them for a while. So yeah, and we are all hoping that all that fun is going to translate into the show. I also saw the trailer just now for the first time, and I am also very excited by seeing the trailer. And now all those worries about whether the fun is translating are slowly getting dispelled, because I think it is translating, which again in 20 days we'll know for sure. I'm also waiting for April 5. Thank you.
So they've pretty much covered everything that I wanted to say also, but which is why I let them go first. So you know, on the contrary, actually, I was really nervous about season 2 because I was feeling like we weren't prepped enough, and unlike season 1, we did a lot of workshops. This time, I was just like, "Arey, हमने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं ठीक से, we haven't got together," and there were a lot of new characters like you saw in the trailer, and a lot of new nuances. I felt, but I was damn scared. I literally got a psychosomatic fever and cough before the shoot began. But then once we started shooting, and this was also, I think, a very hectic schedule that we had. We were just like constantly traveling, shooting, and then shifting base to another city and this and that. It was very hectic, but it just did not feel like we were working. It was such a fun project, and like they both said, I would also say that it trickles down from the top. So. Buddy Sameer Saxena. I think this should be called the Sameer Saxena show instead of tripling. But yeah, he's I don't know, he's a fab director. I think one of my favorite directors among the few that I work with. And so yeah, I hope you guys like the trailer. And there's lots of good music. There's lots of different nice fun locations that we shot at, which hopefully you saw and will appreciate the show as well. Thank you.
On that note, I'd just like to add one thing again. All of us have been working in lots of shows and movies. There are a lot of work out there, but what I realized when I came back to AAA and I started shooting for this show is that for some reason, there are not many light shows to watch online. I don't know why that is the case, because it seems like at least shooting wise are the easiest to make. उसमें कुछ आपको ज़्यादा बनाना नहीं है, कुछ setup नहीं करना है, कुछ action नहीं है, कुछ drama बहुत ज़्यादा create नहीं करना है in terms of production. So it seems like they should be easy to make, but for some reason there is, I think, a lack of shows that are light. They're just light watch, which are just funny and sweet and everything. And I've done 6-7 shows, but coming back to shooting was again. So I think that kind of, when you're shooting those kind of scenes, that's also fun. Like you're just shooting shooting a light scene. It's not, I mean, there is pressure to be funny and to do justice to the script. But as a show, I think we are for some reason missing watching shows like this. So I think it's going to be hopefully a breath of fresh air for the audience as well. कि हाँ मतलब बाकी सब देखा, थोड़ा वायलेंस देखा, सेक्स देखा, थोड़ा सा हम जनरल नॉर्मल फन भी देख लेते हैं. Hopefully that will work. Yes, normal fun भी देख लेते हैं. So yeah, so I think that's also one thing that I really like about this show, and I think should work for Triple A.
Cool. So any fun anecdotes, anything fun that happened at the shoot that any of you all want to share? You know, anything fun? You all have gone to so many places. Anything different? Which,
Okay,
like behind the scenes.
Yeah.
That you all want to share with us.
So Sumeet and Sameer, okay, these two. मतलब इनके लिए the biggest and the best thing in the world, the most orgasmic thing in the world is खाना. मतलब ये खाने की बात करते रहते, कभी भी कहीं पे भी शुरू हो जाते हैं, and they will either be talking about what they've eaten, what they are going to eat, what they once ate, or what they are eating currently. मतलब I was trying to be on a diet with them, but वो 2 दिन में I gave up because I was constantly hearing यार वो अरे रसगुल्ले, अरे गुलाब जामुन, अरे हमने ये खा रहे, उस दिन ये दाल बाटी चूरमा, पता नहीं, मतलब and they're so like the way they talk, they're so passionate about food, both of them, कि मतलब you can't, you also get tempted to like अच्छा go यार, like let's just eat. So that is one. Food was a major part of our shoot, of our like all the schedules of this show. I think that is the heart and soul of this show. Led by Sameer and Sumeet.
Yeah, we basically work for lunch breaks. We only wait कि अब इतने घंटे बाद lunch break है और उसके इतने घंटे बाद अब शाम का नाश्ता आएगा और फिर dinner. Another fun anecdote was Sam likes to wake up early, so he made us all wake up early at 3:30 a.m. in the morning. And when we had a comfortable day, we had to wake up at 5 a.m. That means it's a leisure day. जगने का अलार्म लग गया. So yeah.
Who was the cranky one?
Cool. He's just passing it around. कोई भी answer नहीं
Answer.
Was the cranky one? I think I was really cranky in Sikkim. It was cold, it was nice, they were all enjoying it, but for some reason मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही थी. Maybe मुझे भी उतना ही food खाना चाहिए जितना ये लोग खा रहे हैं. शायद उतनी नहीं लगती, but I don't know what food is. So yeah, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही थी. I was really cranky. I think so. Mostly, I think I was missing from the fun offset actions sometimes in Sikkim because I was just either shooting or inside a blanket. So in fact, I used to joke because that one AD used to come to call us. Every time he's come to call me any time or he's knocked on me to give me a script, I was inside the blanket. So I was always talking to him from inside the blanket. मेरे हाथ भी बाहर नहीं आते थे. तो स्क्रिप्ट रख के जाता था बेड के ऊपर. And then when it was time for the shot, it was this Tarajo, and I would just take off my blanket, go and come back and get inside the blanket. So I think that was a little tough for me for some reason. Yeah. Baki, on a kind.
Have any of y'all ever been on a road trip with siblings, your own family, y'all did a show? Very contrary to, you know, most people go with friends, you have the Dilchatas of the world and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Have you individually ever gone on a road trip with friends, not friends, family, siblings, anyone? Any experiences that you have? Have you done that in real life?
I have.
Okay,
I
so
have
why don't you
a
tell us
bunch
about
of
that?
road trips with my father. My native place is Jodhpur, so and my father for some reason doesn't like to go by train or flight. He likes to drive. So I remember we had a Maruti 800. It didn't have an AC, and we used to go to Jodhpur for our summer holidays, which gets extremely hot. And it was me, my dad, and my sister, and that car was full of stuff, our luggage. Once I think we were traveling with Gatta, कुछ तो जोधपुर से गद्दे लेके बम्बई आ रहे थे, तो पूरी कार भर दी थी हमने तक ये गद्दों से और उसी पे लेटे थे. But I had a great time. Actually, when you're young, you don't think about all these things. No? I'm not comfortable and it's too hot. You're just excited to be on the road and feel so free. And I think that's the memory that has stayed with me also. That the one thing that you think about when you think of a road trip is that you feel like, oh, you're free. You're free to, you're free from whatever you were doing.
Baki?
I have also traveled I've taken a lot of road trips with my family from Delhi. But off late, I don't know if this is the right place to be saying this, but I'm not a big fan of road trips anymore because I hate that there are not enough clean loos on the way. So, sorry? Yeah, so you need to carry those like disposable things now. Thank God for those. But see, only the girls have nodded and said, yeah, we agree. We know what the men are doing clearly. But I really enjoy taking trips in general. I love traveling, and I like the quote that comes in the beginning of the trailer. It's what was it? But it's something to the effect that your mind doesn't expand if you've not traveled enough. It's like reading only one page of a book. So I do endorse that, and I think everybody should take trips. If you like road trips, if they work for you, then please go ahead and do those. Otherwise, just travel with your friends, family, whoever, or even solo.
Same, I'm also from Delhi and I think summer vacations in Delhi, सब लोग उठ के पहाड़ों में चले जाते हैं. So हमारी family भी जाती थी. We used to hire cars sometimes, take a road trip to Shimla or Mussoorie or Manali. Sometimes there were a couple of families traveling together. I remember all those things where अगर वो पुरानी वाली जो kidnapping वाली cars होती हैं, Omnis, which are mostly used for kidnapping, उसमें पीछे बिठा देते हैं बच्चों को, just give an open place. That was like a play area, sleeping area, everything. So I have those memories of chilling with the other kids in that area, and that used to be our private room in the car where we were all chilling and having our naughty talks at the age of 5. So that all has happened. In fact, I used to be very fascinated by the job of those drivers. Because मुझे लगता था कि यार ये कितनी सुंदर जगह पे गाड़ी चला रहा है, ये सुंदर सुंदर जगहों पे जा रहा है खुद भी, and he is getting paid for it. So which is why I thought that this is the best job in the world. Like, this guy has the best job in the world. And around the age of 5 or 6, that was my ambition. I told my dad I want to grow up, I'll be a driver. And he was kind enough to not get offended. I realized कि अच्छा बच्चा है, बड़े होकर शायद डॉक्टर बनना चाहेगा hopefully. Engineer बनना चाहेगा, कुछ और बनना चाहेगा. But at that time I thought this is a perfect job, and I have grown up to really like driving. I love being on the wheel. I think I can just drive for hours and days. I can die on the driving wheel, and I don't know. It's something that just works for me. If I'm in a car, I'd rather be driving. And I've been taking some road trips recently for another project, and I've been driving in very fancy places for 16 hours at a stretch in fancy cars, and it's like a dream job. वही जो मैंने imagine किया था उसी का एक version है ये. मैं भी जा रहा हूँ सुंदर जगह पे, मैं भी गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, and I'm getting paid for it.
Great. So are there we take 1 or 2 questions from the media if anyone wants to ask anything?
We just saw less of the craziness of children in pictures, like will be seen thrice or more what we saw on
क्या बोल रहा है?
Awkward silence. And the photos
ये
are
script में
like
लिखा है.
we can't.
Yeah, so I think like Sumit said, in different words, is that there are some expectations from the show, maybe from individual characters also, because कि भाई चंदन ने ऐसा कुछ किया था season 1 में, तो season 2 में भी ऐसा कुछ करेगा, चंदन ने ऐसा कुछ किया था तो वो कुछ करेगा. So there is the two most famous, most frequent questions on my social media are कि motherfucker का remix आएगा कि नहीं?
I asked that.
And second question is कि बालों का रंग क्या होगा? तो वो दो सवाल है, but I think the attempt on at least on behalf of the creators and the writers and the directors and the makers is that कि यार सिर्फ इन सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए नहीं बनाते season 2. Let's make season 2 if there is an organic journey that can lead these characters into a similar space or a newish version of that space, then it's fine. But let's not. क्योंकि अगर फिर अभी कर दिया and if we end up making season 3 and we want to make season 3 फिर तो अब तो वही करना पड़ेगा, तो ये शो बन ही नहीं सकता है उसके लिए. So I think the attempt right now is to stick to the core essence, which is about the 3 people traveling. Also now time has passed from season 1. The characters have grown, will continue to grow in the future. So you don't want to keep sticking कि वो वैसा ही रहेगा पूरी जिंदगी, ऐसा नहीं है. So this I might be giving some things away, but people change. And people in the show have also changed a little bit. But people change, they also remain the same. You meet some people after a very long time, you realize कि कुछ चीजें बदल गई हैं. But if you spend enough time with them, you realize कि हाँ नहीं अंदर से तो वैसा ही है. तो ये भी इन तीनों का भी अभी ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन है कि सब 2 साल आगे चले गए लाइफ में, कुछ नया कर रहे हैं, कुछ अपने आप में बदलाव लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. But maybe when they come together, especially with family, when you come together, सब आपका नया सीखा हुआ चला जाता है. You become who you are at the core of your soul. And this is what happens again people think of them when they get together.
Are there any more questions? Cool. So we'll move on to the photo of Sumit stand up for the pictures, and we'll pass the mic around. Cool. So let's do some tripling and some more sibling pictures apart from the generic ones.
मैम स्टूडियो मैडम जी थैंक यू वेट फॉर वीडियो मुझे खड़े खड़े और रेडी ना भाई सब लोग दुर्गेश भाई हाँ भाई रेडी भाई थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ पीछे 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 ठीक है ना बहुत आगे थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ एक एक करके सब में नहीं बोला
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप तीनों से जानना चाहूँगा सेकंड सीजन है कितने एक्साइटेड है इस साल के लिए और लास्ट सीजन बहुत ही लोगों ने पसंद किया था तब उतने वेब शोज़ भी नहीं थे और अब जो है बहुत सारे वेब शोज़ भी आ गए तो आपको लगता है कि बेंचमार्क सेट किया था उस समय और इस समय थोड़ा सा प्रेशर रहेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू जितने भी शोज़ आए अगर
नहीं आई डोंट थिंक हमने बाकी जो शोज़ आ रहे हैं उनका प्रेशर हमने लिया एक्चुअली हमने तो ज़्यादा देखे भी नहीं मैंने देखे भी नहीं बाकी शोज़ तो बिल्कुल प्रेशर लेने की तो कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं रही बट हाँ हमें ये पता था कि पिछला सीज़न लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया तो हमें जो भी हम बना रहे थे हमारी कोशिश ये थी कि कहानी उससे कम ना हो उससे एक 19 ना रह जाए 21 ही हो तो वो कोशिश थी
ओके सो जैसे कि सर मेरा सवाल है कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितनी बढ़ जाती है जब एक सीज़न ऑलरेडी हिट हो जाता है तो आप दूसरा सीज़न लेकर आते हैं तो कितना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसके लिए बढ़ जाती है ऑडियंस की
एज एन एक्टर एक्चुअली यू फील a little privileged क्योंकि आप एसेंशियली वही कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं जो आप कर रहे थे उसी का एक पढ़ाव ज़िंदगी का और आएगा तो इन दैट सेंस आप थोड़े कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हो मुश्किल आ जाती है क्रिएटर्स के लिए क्योंकि एक चीज़ उनको पसंद आ गई है तो क्या किया जाए या तो वही चुटकुले वापस से दोहराए जाएं जो ऑलरेडी पसंद है या नई चीज़ें सोची जाएं तो इसलिए आई थिंक हमने टाइम भी लिया तैयार करने में कि हम नहीं चाहते थे कि ऐसे ही कुछ भी एक बना देते हैं कि यार अभी लोगों को पसंद आया है याद है तो एक और निकाल दो हमने पूरा वो ज़्यादा टाइम ले लिया
और आप क्या कह रहे हैं
अबाउट सीज़न 2 आई थिंक थोड़ा सा प्रेशर नहीं बट थोड़ा सा आपको होता है कि एक बार आपने की चीज़ 2 साल पहले की और वो बहुत पसंद आई लोगों को स्पेशली फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा कैरेक्टर एक उसका एक अलग है एक फैन फॉलोइंग है उसका एक एज ग्रुप भी है एक तरह का लोग अटैचमेंट रखते हैं उससे तो वो एक आपको थोड़ा सा प्रेशर आ जाता है कि यार हाँ ये वापस से करना है सो यू हैव टू रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ कि यार उतना तो करना ही है एंड वो शायद हर एक डिपार्टमेंट का है वो राइटर का भी है कि यार फर्स्ट वाले से कम नहीं लगना चाहिए इतनी कोशिश तो आप करते ही हो कि कोई ये ना बोल दे कि यार पहले में बड़ा मज़ा आया था इस बार थोड़ा हल्का रहेगा सो आई थिंक वो एक जो भी उस प्रोजेक्ट का पार्ट है वो इस थॉट के साथ आए एंड वो थॉट अच्छा भी है बिकॉज एटलीस्ट दैट विल गिव यू सम मोटिवेशन टू वर्क हार्ड नहीं तो आप तो ऐसे आओगे कि अरे तो मैंने किया हुआ है मैं आऊँगा ठीक है क्या बोलना है बोलूँगा और चला जाऊँगा वो भी होता है उतना स्ट्रेस नहीं है जितना प्रिपरेशन आपने पिछली बार किया था बट हाँ उस प्रेशर के साथ आप जानते हो कि यार एवरी डे एवरी सीन आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई एम डूइंग दिस सीन टू द बेस्ट ऑफ इट्स जितना होना चाहिए उतना मैं कर रहा हूँ ताकि जो शो बने एंड में तो वो होपफुली उतना तो बने जितना पहला सीज़न था और उससे ऊपर जाए तो फिर और भी अच्छा है
मान ली 4 मोर शॉट्स भी आए थे आपके और इस बार ये कुछ नया जॉनर है और वो भी एक अलग जॉनर था कितना प्रेशर था और जैसे मैंने सर से पूछा था कि सीज़न 1 भी बहुत अच्छा किया है आपका अभी जो वेब सीरीज़ आया है उसने भी बहुत अच्छा किया है और अब ये है तो क्या कहना
ये भी बहुत अच्छा करे नहीं बट एक्चुअली इन्होंने एक जैसे परमानेंट रूममेट्स इन्होंने किया था तो उसका भी एक सीज़न 2 आया। आई डोंट नो तुमने कोई किया है सीज़न 2 किसी का?
फर्स्ट सेकंड सीजन
मेरा भी तो ये पहली बार है जो कि सेकंड सीज़न हो रहा है तो ऑनेस्टली मुझे तो बहुत डर लग रहा है यार क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस है लोगों की। बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर लाइक जब टीज़र निकला था हमारा ट्रिपलिंग का, एक्चुअली पोस्टर जब निकला था जब विच वॉज ऑल्सो दी अनाउंसमेंट कि आने वाला है एंड तो माई इंस्टाग्राम लिटरली ब्रोक, मतलब क्रैश हो गया था मेरा इंस्टाग्राम and I was like, oh my god, that's when it hit me that how big this is and you know how much people are expecting from it. So so that is one part of my brain which is saying कि फटी हुई है मेरी and then there's one part of the brain which is saying कि यार इतने मज़े किए ना हमने during the shoot कि कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मतलब I'm just like हो गया ना, like I had a great time and that's why usually we do at least that's why I do a project कि I want to have fun doing it, like whatever, whether it's the character that I have fun with, whether it's the people I have fun with, it's the script I have fun with. So I had a great time on it and I'm just like ठीक है अब you know let's just send it out to the audience and वो संभाल लेंगे।
Okay, season 1 से कितना अलग होने वाला है?
या सीज़न 1 से काफ़ी अलग है। सेंट्रल थीम्स आर द सेम, जैसे सेंट्रल थीम ये है कि the journey is always more important than the destination and that the journey is not necessarily more important but always more fruitful and what you learn in the journey is actually what you take back with you rather than वो आप जब destination पे पहुँच जाते हैं। Also the fact that family or siblings will always have that sense of grounding, sense of feeling home at home and yeah, so ये central themes रखते हुए characters like Amol was saying earlier that characters के core same है but उनकी situations अलग हैं। अब उनके reactions to situations थोड़े अलग हैं और आपको maybe बाहर से देखने से लगेगा in the first को you'll feel like एकदम अलग है but then gradually as you get into it you'll realize कि ये अभी भी वही तीनों हैं, you know that hasn't changed।
बहुत टाइम के बाद आप तीनों साथ में आ रहे हैं और सुमित की शादी भी हो गई है
जी।
आप तीनों में क्या चेंजेस आए अगर कुछ बताएं उस बारे में, और सुमित शादी के बाद कितनी लाइफ चेंज हुई है आपकी? अगर पहले
एकदम completely change हो गया। I am a different person now।
पार्टी वार्टी करना छोड़ दिया है?
सब छोड़ दिया, मैं सिर्फ काम पे जाता हूँ
3 बार पार्टी करते हैं अभी
और थोड़ा दही लेके घर पहुँच जाता हूँ डेयरी पे रुक के। नहीं ऐसे तो आपकी नहीं हुई शादी अभी? ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा तो चेंज नहीं होता है, सेम ही रहता है। हाँ दैट इज़ अ गुड फीलिंग व्हेन यू गो बैक होम एंड यू हैव समवन जो आपको एक ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू देता है, एक अनबायस्ड रिव्यू देता है, क्योंकि अमूमन ऐसा होता है कि आपके माँ बाप जो हैं या भाई बहन जो हैं वो इतने साल से आपको प्यार कर रहे हैं और एक वो चाहकर भी जो है अनबायस्ड रिव्यू नहीं दे पाते आपको, है ना। वो चाहकर भी आपको ये खुले दिल से नहीं कह पाते कि यार ये बुरा है, ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है यार ये। तो लकीली आई हैव अ लाइफ पार्टनर हु इज़ दैट वे वेरी स्ट्रेट। अगर उसे लगता है कि कोई चीज़ सही नहीं है तो कहती है कि यार ये तो अच्छा नहीं किया, यहाँ मेहनत में कमी रह गई। और ऐसे लोग मुझे पसंद भी है मेरे इर्द गिर्द रहे जो बता सके मुझ पे कि यार ये गलत हो रहा है।
हाँ भाई गलत
सुमित में कितना बदलाव है? आई थिंक
मेरे हिसाब से एक वो हाँ ठहराव आया है, वो जो कहते हैं ना
मच कामर इन जनरल अबाउट थिंग्स की होता ना कि सब हो जाएगा ठीक, ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत लो, ऐसा वाला एक है।
और आप अगर एकता इनकी जो वाइफ है एकता से मिलेंगे ना तो आपको समझ आएगा कि वो आया है ठहराव वहीं से आया है, क्योंकि she's so rooted and she's very sweet and she's very rooted and she's very soft spoken and all, तो and they complement each other, you know, so and वो हमारे साथ हमारे एक स्केड्यूल पे थी भी, तो हमको बहुत मज़ा आता था उनके साथ कि तो हाँ हमारे साथ तो वो हमको बहुत मज़ा आता था उनके साथ, क्योंकि हम जल्दी फ्री हो जाते थे बिकॉज वी वर शूटिंग इन द विंटर, तो सनलाइट चली जाती थी जल्दी और फिर हम होटल रूम में जाके ऑल ऑफ अस वुड चिल, तो इट वाज एक्चुअली लाइक अ फैमिली, लाइक यू नो द थ्री ऑफ अस, एकता, समीर, ऑल ऑफ अस वुड जस्ट चिल एंड या पत्ते दिवाली भी थी उन दिनों। हाँ
सिक्किम में हम लाइक वन फैमिली,
और बाबा ने पेला था हमको हमारे पैसे छीन लिए गए थे जुए में। थैंक यू